Welcome back to another episode of Opportuna. This time with a very special guest over here, Fazil Kapoor sir. If you're interested into open source, web dev, or how to get a job at Adobe in particular, when did you start coding?
First time I wrote the code was in class 10. There's a summer camp going on, a cybersecurity boot camp for a cohort kind of thing.
So basically, what we were thinking about in third sem, you started out in your 10th. Sir, when you came to college, like besides that gate over there, what else did you feel?
But from the name, I know everything. It was like कि भाई मेहता इतना बड़ा कैसे है, ये इतना छोटा कैसे?
Sir, how did you get the opportunity or interview at Adobe?
I applied on a career page. I got the link. Of OA. OA consisted of mainly 2 medium level DSA questions.
Sir, as an intern, what did you do at Adobe, sir? Sir, to stand out from the crowd, what would you suggest, sir?
So 2 things I would suggest for standing out from the crowd.